Good morning, guys. It's Tiff back again, and today I am working in my junk journal. I have created a packing tape transfer from an image from a magazine. If you're not familiar with packing tape transfers, make sure you go check out my other video. I will link it somewhere in the description box, as well as an iCard where you can click on it. But I knew I wanted to use that, and I wanted to be able to have some of the text to go through her face and body where you could see it. So I'm going in with some acrylic. That was Luca's titanium white paint. I believe it was titanium white, but a white acrylic paint. And the reason that I'm doing that is because I wanted to scratch through and reveal some of the white. You'll see what I mean when I get into it, but I already knew that I wanted to do that. So there are moments, not necessarily where I have plans, but where I want to try different things. And I knew that I wanted to try that in my journal today. And I'm just going in here with the Deco Arts gel matte medium. And this is going to create a matte finish, because packing tape, of course, is shiny. And so if you don't want the shiny, you can go in with the gel medium and it makes it matte. So here I'm going in with the Deco Art Media Black Gesso, which is delicious. Delicious. Okay. And so I'm going to go in here with that over to the side. And guys, I wanted to just pop in really quick and tell you guys I am teaching live at a workshop in Texas, in Palestine. I'm not sure how you say it. So it's a little place with the art center there that I'm going to be teaching at in February. So spots are filling up pretty quickly. So if you would like to get in on that workshop, make sure you go down and find my email and send me an email. And I will give you all of the info on that. So I'm super excited about that. We're going to be making junk journals and painting papers and having lots of laughs. And I would love to meet all of you guys who watch me every week. So make sure you send me an email. I'd love to be able to connect with you guys, and let's play in some paint together. So as you see, it's pretty matte now, and I'm just taking some of the matte medium where I could see a little bit of shiny. And you do have to be careful, because this packing tape is plastic and you have an embossing gun that gets really hot and you don't want to melt the tape. So if you are going to heat it like I did, because I'm impatient, then I would suggest making sure that you, be careful with that. So, as you saw, I took my mechanical pencil and I just tried to scratch in that black gesso over there just to make sure. And the reason we did the acrylic on the bottom is we needed to create a barrier so when we scratched, it would scratch through. And so I'm using a bamboo I think this is called a bamboo pen. You can check out the links below. I have it linked to Amazon. But I put art is my soul food. And I believe that's so very true. And I'm going to just dig in, as you see, and I'm scratching that top layer of black gesso off and leaving that white layer below. And so I really want to keep pushing myself to use more of my handwriting, and I've even been practicing getting messier with my handwriting. I know that's funny, isn't it? While everybody else is trying to do calligraphy, Tiffany's over here trying to make messy handwriting. Oh, Lord, have mercy, Jesus. Okay, so as you see, I'm just scratching through here. And then I loved the black and white, but me being me, and I am me, wanted a pop of color. And what other better way of pop of color would it be besides pink? So here I'm going to take, I saw that little pink spot kind of going through to the side, and I wanted to add a piece of pink. So I wanted to really quickly address any concerns you have for using your sewing machine, ladies. I just use a regular non-fancy, because I'm not fancy, a non-fancy sewing machine. That's a technical term. And I use a regular old needle. Okay, so nothing that you have to go out and regular old thread. And I just, as you see from this picture, I just put it right in my machine and run it through back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Ta-da! I leave the stick, I mean, not the stickers, Jesus. I'll leave the fringe to the side, and you'll see it in the pictures below. Thank you guys so much. Make sure to go like, subscribe, comment, do your thing. Toodaloo!